Hey contractors, what's going on? GovKid Method here. In today's GovCon quick tip, I'm going to be showing you how you can identify those federal government agencies that are buying the most of the NAICS codes that you're trying to procure work under. This way you can target instead of kind of chasing everything. So let's get into it. So for this GovCon quick tip, we're going to be going to USA spending. And that's a .gov. That's how you know it's a government website. And all you have to do is go down to the advanced search. And this is fairly straightforward, guys. If you're familiar with beta.sam or any of the other search websites, this is kind of where your results are going to be. And then those search filters are going to be on your left. So what we're doing today is I'm going to select all those fiscal years. It'll take you as far back as 2008. And then we're going to go straight down to NAICS code. And so let's say we're going to use 541330 for this example. We want to find what agencies are buying the most of this particular NAICS code. I'm going to select those and simply submit search. All right, and then when you run the search results, you're going to see that you have these different things that you can toggle by to see how they're slicing the data for this particular NAICS code. And then you also have these options up here: table, time, map, which is going to give you like a US geographic map with density. But then you also have categories, and categories is what we want. When you look at categories, it shows you the different categories of US agencies. So it's showing us that the DoD by far is the biggest spender for this particular NAICS code. And then after that, you see there's Health and Human Services and the Department of Energy. But what you can do now is go to sub-agencies, and it's going to show you within the DoD who's actually buying the most. So you see the Department of the Army, and then the Navy, then the Air Force, and then we see the Department of Energy. So if you wanted to start focusing and targeting on your federal government agencies, and you have a list of NAICS codes you want to buy under, go ahead and run the search and find those main agencies that are buying what you're trying to sell. Then you can start marketing intelligently based on this research and this data, and start trying to win business at those particular agencies instead of starting with nothing and trying to chase anything and ultimately possibly get nowhere. So I hope you enjoyed this GovCon quick tip. Again, we're at usaspending.gov. If you like government contracting related videos, consider subscribing because that's all that I do. And don't forget to hit that like and that notification bell if this video is helpful to you. I'll see you in the next video.